everybody, Irma here again, Food for Healthy Bones, and this is another one of the episodes in the I Hate to Cook series. I'm here with Skelly, skeleton that lives in us all, and we're going to be making Gomasio today. You can buy it or you can make it. It's really easy to make. It's primarily sesame seeds. I got a combination of white and black sesame seeds, so we're going to dry roast these seeds, and then we're going to dry roast a little bit of the salt. Put it all together, put it in this baby, and mix it up, and then put it in the refrigerator and use it over salads or in soup or on vegetables, and it's quite yummy. Now, if you're on the DASH diet or if you're watching your salt intake, I would say ditch the salt if you're watching your salt and just dry roast these beautiful sesame seeds, which are high in calcium and protein. So this is a yummy, yummy little thing to add to your food. Again, you can buy it or you can easily make it. It's so much cheaper when you make it. This process will take about 10 minutes, but you could see the brown is starting to happen. So you definitely don't want to walk away. Maybe a little less because my skillet was nice. Uh-oh, you see it's starting to smoke. So we're going to turn this down a little bit and mix it up. Keep it mixing so it doesn't get too brown. And the white seeds look like they were a little bit more delicate than the black. They're also smaller. But I like the variety of white and black. And the thing about black, black is the color for the kidneys, and bones and kidneys are all related in traditional Chinese medicine. So having black food is a good thing for your bones. So that's why I added the black sesame seeds. Plus it looks pretty. Okay, so we don't want this to smoke too much. We're going to take this off and then put the salt in. So the sesame seeds was 1 cup of sesame seeds, and we're using 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. And we're just going to heat this up. I mentioned earlier that it may take 10 minutes for the sesames, but you saw that it took much less. So be aware, don't walk away, be present, have a moment with your food, what you're cooking, what you'll soon be consuming. It's all part of it. I've added the dry roasted sesame seeds, the black and the white, and the dry roasted salt to this beautiful mortar and pestle. And I'm going to move it around and break it down. You could put this into a salt grinder if you want to actually bring it down a little bit more. And this is just a lovely way to get in more calcium. Sesame is full of calcium and a nice bit of protein. You could put that on salads. You could put that on steamed vegetables. You could put this on chicken. You could put it on everything. Well, you don't want to put it on, well, what? You want to put it on your body. Okay, in your body. Skelly's being silly. Okay, so that's it. And then you put it in a jar, put it in the refrigerator, and save it for, a month or two. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this wonderful little treat, little trick. And that's it for now. But if you'd like to get more recipes like this, please go to my website, www.foodforhealthybones.com. And there you'll find my five bone-loving recipes. Please add your name and you will be part of my email list. Thank you so much for joining me today. And please feel free to share this with your friends. Okay, bye for now. Bye, Skelly.